Have you heard this song? Let me turn it up.
But you play me like a game, I can't rewind. Now I'm stepping out the dark, I see the light. I'm stronger now, I'll be fine. I'm moving, I'm by no phone, I'm routine. Song my phone, and I build my breath, my wings out of heartaches. Now I'm flying.
I worked up a sweat. Now, let's get down to business. Where can you download that track? You can't, because I made it. The song, the lyrics, the visuals, all of it, right from my phone. And here's the best part. I only used 2 AI tools, Udio and OpenArt. Videos like this can actually be monetized, not just in long form, but in shorts too. And in this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to create these monetizable videos. The easy way anyone can start today, and the advanced way that will blow your mind. Let's jump in. Let's start with Udio first. You can create your lyrics straight from Udio, or you can go over to ChatGPT and generate some, or if you have some of your own. We are going to use Udio, so you're going to click that pink button down at the bottom. Now in that prompt box, you're going to describe your song. I'm going to put R&B song about love and moving on. The best part about this app is that it's completely free, so you can download this song after you generate it. Now at the bottom, you can add R&B soul. It pretty much feeds off what the description is of your song. Make sure you add a woman or a man singing at the end of your description so the visuals match your song. After you're done, click create. Here's the 2 songs that
I gave you all my nights, real love. Gave you all my nights, but so much time.
Once you're done, click the 3 little dots that's on the side of the song. When you click them, a menu will pop up so that you can download the song. Click download. Now you can download either an MP3 or a video. I need the MP3 file, so I'm downloading the MP3 file. Now what you're going to do is go over to OpenArt. The first way that I'm going to show you is super easy. You won't even believe it. Open OpenArt on your Safari or your web browser of choice, and then you go all the way down until you find music video. Yeah, this easy. Now, you could paste the link or upload a song. We already have a song that we just created, so we're going to upload it. Your song should be in the files on your phone. Upload the song, and then what you're going to do is click confirm. Once you have your audio track uploaded, you're going to select a mode. Now there's sing, story, and style. This gives you options of how you want your video to look like. I'm going to select story. Then you go down and you can do auto story or a character. Now I already created one, but I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own. If you already have the singer or characters you want, then you just upload them here in custom. Click custom, put in a name, and then you upload your image of your singer or character you want in your video. If you don't have one, you click train character for consistency. Now you can upload 4 images of the character you created. You can create your character here or over in ChatGPT or wherever you decide to create one. Upload 4 images and then it will create you a character. I already made 2, her name's Liza, and you just click apply to add her to the video. You can also select outfit change, which is now what you're going to do is add in story topics, romance, futuristic. I'm going to add them both just to show you how it's going to turn out. Now the aspect ratio is up to you. If you want a short, you add 9:16. If you want a long form, 16:9. For the advanced settings, this is where you decide what type of generator you want to use to generate your video. Once you are finished selecting everything for your video, you click create full video. Here's the results.
Real love, gave you all my nights, but so much time. But you play me like a game, I can't rewind. Now I'm stepping out the dark, I see the
That turned out pretty good, yeah? If there's anything in the video you don't like, go to the bottom and click Edit Story, and you can edit anything in the video. Now I'm going to show you the advanced way. This way, you have a bit more creativity over the video. On OpenArt, go back to the home page. Yep, we're still using OpenArt. You're going to go down and select your character. If you don't have one, I already showed you how to create one. Click your character and then click Prompt and Reference. Now, down here in the prompt box, you're going to describe what you want her doing in the video. If you don't know, just go to ChatGPT to generate a visual so you can bring it back over OpenArt. Don't worry, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate visual prompts. For now, I'm just going to type in Marina singing on her balcony. Once you do that, you go down. Make sure the auto enhance is on because it will make it better. Prompt adherence is for accuracy for your prompt. I usually put it about 10. The higher, the more accurate. When you go down, make sure your output size is either cinema or portrait. Now go down and click on Create. Keep number of images at 2 so you can have choices. So here they are, pretty accurate to what I wanted. Scroll down to Use Image, and it will say Image to Video. That's the one you're going to click. It will take you over to the video section. Now you're going to input something here in the prompt box, and I'm going to put she's singing. Now this is the cool part. Click Auto Speech, and then you can put your lyrics right into there, and make sure you click Lip Sync. Well, for obvious reasons, you want the lips to sync to the lyrics you just put in. Although that way is easy, sometimes it's not accurate. So I'm going to show you a better way right on here. At the bottom where all the mini tools are, you're going to click Lip Sync. Click on Select Video. You're going to upload from history because we already created the video on here. Select the video and let it process. Now where it says, what will they say? You're going to upload what she would be singing in that part of the video. I usually use VN, split up the track, and download only in audio also. Once you upload the track, here it is, you're going to go down and click Create. Once it's created, this is the video. Incredible. So once you have all your clips lip synced and generated, you are going to take it over to either CapCut or VN, which is free, or wherever you edit your video. First, I'm going to show you how to generate your visual prompts on ChatGPT. Upload your song track to ChatGPT, and then you're going to type in, I'm going to give you a sentence from the song, and you're going to give me a visual for the song. And then it's going to give you a full-blown prompt for the 2 sentences that you asked for. Take it over to OpenArt and generate your visual for your video. I know this way is a bit more tedious, but you have way more creativity with your video. That way you maximize your success and your coins. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to put it all together on CapCut. Once you upload all your clips, as you can see here, some of them don't have her singing because it's supposed to look like a music video. Now you can have her singing for all of them. It will still look like a music video, but I thought it looked more authentic this way. I'm going to zoom in here so I can show you how I did the zoom in for the music video. You can add transitions between the music video clips if you like, but that's absolutely up to you. I didn't want to. I thought it looked better this way. It's your music video. Get as creative as you want. For the subtitles, I just went down to the bottom and clicked on auto captions. You might have to fix some of the words because they're not accurate sometimes, but it's just a couple of them. And now, drum roll please. Here is the full video. Enjoy.
Real love, baby, for my nights, for so much time. But you play me like a game, I can't rewind. Now I'm stepping out the door, I see the light. I'm stronger now, I'll be fine. I'm moving, I'm by no phone, I'm routine. So my phone, had to build my breath, my ways out of heartache. Now I'm flying.
And that's how I created a full music video. The song, the lyrics, the visuals, all from my phone. Now it's your turn. Try it out. Post your own clips and start monetizing your ideas. If you want more step-by-step tutorials like this, make sure you hit subscribe because I drop new AI video guides every week. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.